Welcome to Planet Codes. I'm Mike. In this channel, we will learn LangChain through practical real-world projects, step by step, with clear explanation and working code. If you're ready to build AI application instead of just watching tutorial, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Today, I want to quickly explain the difference between pip and UV and why we choose UV for our projects. With pip, you often end up using different commands for creating and managing virtual environments, and that can get confusing, especially when you're working across multiple projects. But UV is more organized and its commands are simpler and more consistent. And another big one, UV is faster at installing dependency according to their official website. Uh, pip is a classic package installer for Python. In practice, you typically pair it with virtual environments, but the setup steps and commands can feel scattered, which can lead to confusion. UV is built to be cleaner workflow. Its commands are more consistent, the environment handling feels more organized, and it installs dependencies faster than pip, as stated by UV website. And that's why we use UV in our package. Last time we started projects, we ran into conflicts across different Python versions, and we wanted a simpler, faster, and more reliable dependencies setup. Use pip if you want traditional approach. Use UV if you want a speed and neater workflow, especially for teams. All right, let's dive into the codes and start using UV in our projects. So first we browse to their official website, and as you can see, it's written here that this is an extremely fast Python package and project manager written in Rust language. So for installing this, we just simply scroll here and copy these commands to our PowerShell. We just install it from PowerShell, and of course, there's another ways for installing this, including with pip package manager, but we prefer here to use PowerShell because it's very easy. We just paste the command in the PowerShell and wait to be installed. Okay, after installing, you should see this message that everything is installed and it's ready to use. And if you want to learn how to use this project manager, you can just their official websites. And here is the commands that we need to use. For example, for making a project, we just simply run this code in our terminal in the VS Code. And here we just, instead of example, we just write the name of our project, which is here the test. We just simply hit enter and wait our project to be initialized. After initializing our project, you could see that the project is in this path. So we just take a look at the files of our projects. There's a folder here called test, and as you can see, the UV will hold the Python version in another file, so it will help us to prevent the Python version conflicts in our projects. And there's a folder source, which is our main project files. They are here. Okay, back to website. We need to install our packages. We just simply install any package that we want using this command, uv add, followed by the package name, which here we have LangChain and LangChain underline Hugging Face. After we did this, because I have installed them already, it showed here that resolved 46 packages in just 2 milliseconds because I have already installed these packages. And another command that we need here is uv run for running our project. We just simply copy this and we change our directory to the source directory of our project, which the main file of our project are there. And I just simply write this uv run and followed by the file that I'm gonna execute, which is test.py, and we just simply point to its location in our files and hit enter. And as you can see, the file is executed and the output is this is a test. And another command that we need to use is to install Python version. So for installing Python versions, we just simply use this command. We just write uv python install followed by our Python version that we are going to use in this application is 3.12. And as you can see, I've already installed it. And another command that we need to use in our project is uvvnv dash dash python, which will create a virtual environment with Python 3.12 version that we are going to use in our project. So we just simply write venv dash dash python followed by the version. And when we do this, as you can see, it says that there is it's already installed on my computer. Do you want to use it? And I will tell them not by installing anything except the yes. And if I use it with dash dash clear command, it will skip the Python that which is installed on my computer, and it will use its own version of Python. So the next step is to activate our virtual environment in our terminal. By doing this, we tell our terminal to use this specific version of Python to run this application. So as you can see, there is a command here. And if we copy this and use it, it will activate or virtual environment that is specific for our project, and its file are located on our project folder. So as you can see, it says here the source is here, and we can use or a specific version of Python rather than the other Pythons which are installed on our computer. If you found this helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Next, I'll build more apps with LangChain. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye.